yewe nyir'umucyo ruhu rwirabura, aya marira yawe azarangira ryari? Ese bazamenye ko uri uw'agaciro? Ni ryari bazabimenya?
The King's Main.
Bazabimenya neza nitwisobanukirwa, bazatwubaha umunsi tuzavuga dushikamye tugahuza. Mbere y'uko ntangira, reka nsabe buri wese abanza afata umwanya wo gutekereza agaciro gakomeye dufite nk'abirabura. Nkeneye inyunganizi kuri buri wese wumva hari icyakorwa kugira ngo abirabura babeho nk'abantu, apana gukoreshwa nk'ipunda. Aya marira y'abirabura aterwa n'agahinda kadashira, ngenzanywe no kuyavuga kubera ko Malcolm X na Tupac bansize nk'intumwa. Ntago nzamuye ijwi ngamije kwanga abera, ahubwo nzamuye ijwi nifuza ubutabera kuri uruhu batemera. Kwanza reka mbanze mbibutsa George w'imyaka 14 byafashe iminota 10 y'ubutabera kugira ngo yicwe, bakamushyira ku ntebe y'amashanyarazi arengana kubera ibara ry'uruhu rwe. Ibyo byose byatobayeho nk'abirabura kugira ngo twige. Batwita ibikara, bakatugiranya n'umwijima, bakatunagira imineke ngo turabavandimwe b'inkima. Aya marira y'abirabura ngiye mbona atazigera ashira, azorongazi twubwacu tutarisobanukirwa. Reka nkubwire neza aya marira y'umwirabura avuka uruhu rwe tayari rwaramaze guhamwa n'icyaha, ahinga intabire abizi neza ko atazayisarura, ateka inkono y'abera abizi neza ko batazayisangira, agategereza ibyo bamusigiye nabyo bitazamuhaza. Amarira y'abirabura aterwa no kuba ku isi batwishisha, kudusura bikitwa inkunga, kubasura bigafatwa nko guhunga, kubasura bigasaba medical check kandi ari no batuzaniye sida. Uruhu rwirabura ubundi ni bwoko ki? Ibaze nawe uruhu rwirabura rucukura zahabu rugahembwa gusigarana amabavu. Ibaze nawe uruhu rutegereje kuzabona uburenganzira bwa muntu, human right, ari uko rugeze mu ijuru. Ibaze uruhu rwirabura abazungu batangaga icupa rimwe ry'inzoga kugira ngo batware abacakara 10. Ibaze nawe uruhu rwirabura waruvukanye 8 akaba atagira 8, ariko umuzungu akaba ari umudokiteri ku myaka ya 18. Hapo ndio nashindwa masomo tulipewa ni gani? Uyu mwirabura azasobanura icyo abana yabyaye bakuriye muri slums za Afrika, ko basogokora bubatse Amerika. Uruhu rwirabura kubera ubutunzi ruhora mu mazi abira. Menya amabaye y'agaciro ari yatuma bara affection ya imagination, bigatuma ngo rukanta w'umuzungu saraka umwirabura. Soje mbabwira ko nta cyiza nko kwigira. Ububasha umwirabura afite ntibushidikanywa. Dukora iyo bwabaga twubaka isi y'uruhu rumwe, duharanira ubutabera ndetse no kubyumva kimwe.
Yewe nyir'umucyo ruhu rwirabura, aya marira yawe azarangira ryari? Ese bazamenye ko uri uw'agaciro? Ni ryari bazabimenya?
For a couple years back, for black people, it was not easy. Being a slave till they kill you. More discrimination for some black people around the world. I always see racism increasing, but I wonder what, which, who, when, why Africa is still being condemned. Don't tell me it's love, don't tell me it's pity, don't tell me this is just mercy that I'm really helped. Don't come at me showing healing while after seeing killing. So sad, so painful. Where is Africa we dream? When will these tears end? When will this new version of colonization will be over? When to be black will be solution instead of being in racism situation? What will it cost to live in peace daily instead of being heartless daily? More wars, more fighting, corruption. All viruses become the flag of this continent. But I still wonder where we go, what we need, who we need, and why we need. Being a slave, being under control, we're blinded, we can't even take a decision of being ourselves, but we're just fighting to be like themselves. That's a shame to us. Growing up, the future is to live there, but we can't even build our future here. We are tired of living toughly for our natural property. We are done to be deceived continuously. That we are treated and that what is being treated admitted killers. Don't let money fool you. Those supporters wanna use you and after getting kill you. Please hold on, think twice. Let's stop accusing ourselves while we're accused too. Let's fight for the vision of all, not some of them. From 1619, people were taken like animals, like something doesn't have values. But have value, until now we still have zero value. Not every leadership comes from God, cause the ones we call it, I see them just causing a wounds instead of healing a wounds. I see them searching thighs instead of heal hearts. Why can you always lie to the nations while what they use today, it's our natural resources? And how will it long to stop this racism and being one man, just focusing to the one vision? Why can them continue to decide what's right, what's wrong, what we need? Are we fooled the way we can decide how to live? and what we need. This is tears of black. Black is the beauty, but we bleach our skin to look like white. See why we are displaying our melanin to finish our beauty. Banks of black and banks of white in same nation. Oh, so sad. Anyway, I see hope in the future. Much respect to you, Ali, for the Black Lives Matter, just for fighting vision for others. Even if they should take us like monkeys, but in black, we trust.
Tell the bros, things I made us shit, nigga.